Welcome to JKCarMart. I am Dhaval sharing few tips before buying a car in India. There are so many reasons that make it hard to choose a car. Number 1. Budget should be above everything else. Number 2. Take the driving test. Number 3. Try not to reveal your complete budget to any salesman. Number 4. Choose the right body type, hatchbacks, SUVs and sedans. Number 5. Do your research on EMI and car loans. Number 6. Consider different fuel types. Currently, gasoline, diesel, CNG, LPG, and lithium-ion batteries are the 5 most commonly used fuel types. Number 7. Manual or automatic cars. Number 8. Check for safety features. Number 9. Resale value. Number 10. Have a thorough research. Try comparing a few models that you have chosen. You get similar features in the majority of automobiles at comparing price levels. For more interesting videos, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment to our YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing JKCarMart. Have a wonderful day.